Look what the hot body can do.
Hey beautiful people, welcome to a new vlog. I hope you guys are doing well. So right now I'm all glammed up, dolled up and ready to head out. I am heading to one of my birthday, well, this week is one of my friend's birthday, and tonight, Thursday, she's keeping a wine tasting, and then on Saturday we have another place to go. But I am running late. It's moving on to 6:30 and I should have left out already. I really don't want to be late, but I am already late. So let's get into the fit quickly. I'm just wearing this two-piece set. I do not remember where I got it from. I'm so sorry, I don't know, but I've had it for years, like more than 5 years. The top now is a little bit loose. I have not worn this in so long, so I thought it couldn't fit me. The skirt is good, but the top, but we're still wearing it. We fixed our hair, did our makeup, and yeah. If you are new here, welcome, and I hope you guys stick and stay around for the rest of this vlog and all the new episodes, videos to come. I'll talk to you guys once I'm back. Alright guys, it is 6:45. I'm not gonna even tell you what time I'm supposed to be there, but just know I am 30 seconds away. As I pass over this bus stop, bam, I'm there. I look so cute. Red is, you know, sometimes red is my color. Yeah, red is my color. I should have definitely wore a red lipstick, but I haven't like wore that red lipstick in so long, and I just know the quality of it right now. So like I just put on this new type of lip with gloss. But anyways, I hit over the stoplight and I'm gonna pull in right now. So yeah, I'll see you guys once I'm all settled. And you have arrived. Apology for being late. Oh Lord Almighty. Where is it? I don't even know. Okay, I have arrived. Let me hurry up. I actually, when I was pulling up and parking, I see another guy and he looks familiar, so I'm thinking he's one of our friends. So I'm not the only one that's late, okay? I'm not the only one that's late. Anyways, let's go.
I just smell. Put your nose in it now. Do not agitate it. Just put your nose in it now. Do not be like a student that wants that. I said, please put your nose in the wine. She says, lovely me. Lovely. I said, I don't know what to smell it, but never mind. Put your nose in it.
Excuse me, Miss Bennett. I'm not sure. Oh, just calling that? Okay, I'm not sure if you had went through it how to hold the glass properly. So can you?
Yes, ma'am.
I missed it.
Oh, yeah. Always by the same.
Yeah, so 2 fingers.
Oh.
That, it doesn't matter.
Well, sometimes I hold it like this, but then you have to know how to hold it. How you feel. But when you're down slowly, it's just like this. Some people hold it a little higher. Some people on the floor to the stem, but you're holding it perfectly alright. It's the swirling that is going to be the key. Alright, now put your nose in it. Nose there, right? Now we're gonna agitate it and have the rest come. So you're gonna swirl it. Yes. Yes. Come on.
So you probably had to smell it.
It's moving the glass like a boat. You want to turn it like this, but if you can't do this like this, and you don't want to shake a bottle, Shamayo to Bose. What you do? Yes,
wine number 2.
You'll see something along the side.
Miss Marlene, how many seconds do you recommend when twirling?
Oh, it doesn't matter. Guess what? A lot of these people continue to twirling all evening. They're talking to you and they're twirling and they smell
alcoholics.
Sometimes they don't even sip, but they just go on planning. So what? Are you getting some more tropical notes in this wine? Anybody
I smell nothing.
stone fruit, tenny.
No this again.
Yeah.
That's really kind of apple, lovely.
It smells like apple fruit.
Apple, oh.
Alright guys, the wine class was so good. So good. So if you're in Jamaica and if you're interested in doing a wine tasting, I'm gonna add my friend's Instagram below. Just DM her and say, hey, I wanna you're interested in the wine tasting class. Now the next one is July 30th, but I don't think this video is gonna come out for July 30th. It should be. Well, you know what? I'm not gonna say that. I don't know. Because I do have like probably 3 videos to put out. But yeah, it was so good. So now I'm going to another birthday event. One of my friend's uncle birthdays today. And it's just a group of us. Every time you see me go to Janga's or all of my friends, it's like one group of us and it's his birthday. So let's head out and I'll see you guys at Janga's.
No cap.
Yeah.
So guys, I am leaving Janga's. It was a fun time. I literally did a video editing. I did not video anything. But it's 11:38 p.m. now in the evening and I can't wait to get home, get ready for bed. I feel like I want to watch one episode of Netflix. What was I watching? I can't remember. Well, so there's like so many options for me to watch right now on Netflix because the new season has started. I have the Alien, that I have oh my god, I can't even remember them, but just know I have 3 options of movies to watch. So I'm gonna probably like catching 2 episodes tonight, seeing that I didn't get, I haven't watched any last night. But coming up for this weekend, so coming up this weekend, I don't know, I may go out of town just for one night, heading to Ocheria's for a birthday celebration. The birthday celebration that I just left just now. Remember, so there's 2 people's birthday. The one that I was at the wine glass, her Kim, and then the second one is Uncle Colin. We're not related, but he's my friend's uncle, and that's what we all call him, Uncle Colin. So, oh my god, I'm gonna get here, stop at this gas station and buy a hot dog, So yeah, they're all planning to go out of town Saturday and come out back Sunday. So I don't know, I feel like I am in the mood, to do a little out of town stay, because I haven't done that in a while. So I don't know, I will see what happens. Guys.
Yeah, niggas still rapping.
Yeah.
Got me relaxing.
Yeah.
Bought me a gold paddock.
Yeah.
Flying on flashing.
Yeah.
Nigga, we having.